Hey guys, how are you all? DJI drones are as synonymous with aerial photography as GoPro is with action cameras or Levi's with jeans. DJI is prolific with its drone output, making camera drones for seemingly every scenario imaginable. So if you are wondering which is the best DJI drone for you, in this video I will show you the best top 5 DJI drones that you must buy in 2020. Let's start the video. DJI Inspire 2. Unmistakable as a drone that all others aspire to be, the DJI Inspire 2 is designed for professional use. It has a selection of cameras and accessories finely tuned to suit a variety of scenarios, from filmmaking to surveillance, and you can tailor equipment according to. The speed and agility of the Inspire 2 truly are inspiring. There's a wealth of top level features too, including dual control, one for a pilot and one for a camera operator. That means one of you can focus on flying the drone while the other focus on capturing the best shots and footages. Buy this DJI Inspire 2 for its ideal for drone filmmaking duos, and it gives greater control over your video and gives the best footages. Links are given in the description. You can check the price and buy from there. DJI Spark. The Spark is the baby member of the DJI drone family, yet features many of the same flight characteristics of its larger, more expensive siblings. It has object avoidance, autonomous flight, and of course a fully featured camera. Full HD video and 12MP still capture is available, but the Spark is really all about having fun in the air. It all starts with a quick launch function using DJI's face-over technology. The Spark lifts off from your hand by recognizing your face. There is also a gesture control for framing shots and video, which you can edit in the DJI Go 4 app. From beginners to experts, the Spark is a great drone to own. It offers hours of fun for all experience levels, but at the same time it is an ideal training aid for anyone wanting to take drone piloting a little more seriously. Buy this drone because it is backup friendly and it is a cute selfie drone, and definitely it is a ace for beginners. Links are given in the description. You can check the price there and buy from there. DJI MAVIC 2 Zoom. Although it features the same drone as the MAVIC Pro, the DJI MAVIC Zoom differs due to the camera mounted beneath. A compact zoom camera enables a changeable focal length from 24 to 48 mm, which is a unique feature for a drone of this size. The zoom lens lends itself to many different users too, but here with the advanced pre-programmed flight features, it enables you to easily capture stunning dolly zoom and other cinematic effects that would usually cost thousands of pounds to create. The MAVIC 2 Zoom is undoubtedly the best DJI drone for filmmakers, with set flight paths enabling easy scene settings. Buy this drone because of its great flight time and dolly zoom effect is epic. Links are given in the description. You can check the price there and buy it from there. DJI MAVIC 2 Pro. Since its launch, this diminutive DJI drone has stolen the show. Fronted by a compact and mightily powerful 20 megapixel Hasselblad camera, the MAVIC 2 Pro is one of the most desirable camera drones on the market. Photography is at the heart of this DJI drone, coupling the high-resolution camera with unsurpassed image stabilization. Together, they enable you to capture stunning panorama in a way that would otherwise be impossible from such a compact device. That size and deftness in the air makes the MAVIC 2 Pro ultra portable. It will happily slot into your camera bag alongside the rest of your kit. This stunning DJI camera drone is an ideal solution for any photographer who wants to take a jaw-dropping aerial images to share it with the world. Buy this drone for its onboard Hasselblad camera, superb image quality, and 20MP stills. DJI Mavic Air, the smallest and the lightest of the Mavic range. The DJI Mavic Air is designed to be taken anywhere, foldable and ultra portable. This quadcopter is small enough to fit inside your backpack, and if you have large and deep pockets on your coat, it will sit in one of those too. The Mavic Air's small size, lightweight design and camera are ideal for general use or for filming too. It benefits from just over 20 minutes of flight time and can capture 4K video at 100 MB per second and 12 MP stills. If space and weight are tight, the MAVIC Air is definitely the best DJI drone for you. Buy this drone for its super easy to fly, decent flight time and ideal for travel use. Links are given in the description. You can check the price of this drone and buy it from there. So these are our best DJI drones that you must buy in 2020. If you have any other DJI drone in your mind, please comment in the comment section. Do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.